Ladies and gentlemen, good morning from the crew here at VW Live.
Yes, we've got Jake, Tommy, Martin. We're killing it.
Yeah, we are. Today we are going to be working on HB. What a shocker. But, October, third week in October, Matt Jackson will be here before you know it.
Yeah, we got to get busy.
Yes. So the 65's coming along today. Brakes, I think we're going to be working on putting the front end completely back together. And we're going to take the pedal assembly apart, get it all good and clean, lube it up and stuff like that.
Yeah, let's go over here and show them.
Yeah, let's do that.
So the last time we got the beam in.
Yeah, so the beam's in. So we're just going to kind of clean this up, run the new fuel lines, clean the brakes area there a little bit, and get a new master cylinder in. And then we're going to also put the steering box in, and that'll allow us to put the tie rods and everything else like that back in, get the front end buttoned up, so to speak.
Right, so steering box, master cylinder, Tommy's on brakes.
Yep, tie rods, brakes.
Coming around to the inside, we've got, we're going to pull the pedal assembly, I believe.
Yes, pedal assembly. Jake's going to be working on getting the pedal assembly all cleaned up, taking it apart. So we're going to do that.
And then Martin is going to finish the pans pretty much welded in, and we are going to complete that task. And we'll see how far we get.
That's right, that's the plan for today, Stan.
We got the steering box cleaned up and painted with DE 1635, and the new shocks, we wanted blue, so we went with blue. Good job, Jake.
All we're doing is putting this in.
All right, now we're putting in the master cylinder.
Okay, yeah, good job. Just thread both sides to get it started, and then you can use the tool to zip it up.
They're on there?
The main thing we didn't want to do is on the inside, there's two sleeves that keep core support between this this side and the other side, and if that falls out, we got to make sure it's back in place. So we made sure they're in place so that when you crank on them, the stability is all there, nothing's lost. We're good to go. We'll be putting this all back together.
And that's a tommiebsmith tech tip. We've made a lot of progress in here. We have the master cylinder, the pitman arm, the steering box, the tie rod ends in here. The Jerfab beam is awesome. Everything's fitting perfectly, I would say. So We've got the soft line already in on this side. So next step is to throw in the spindles with the disc brakes.
Have dual pattern disc, allows for Chevy and Porsche pattern 5x130.
So that's
Probably need a bigger head.
so we're pounding in the races now.
Downwards, yep, like that.
Like that.
But get the bigger head.
Yep, that's gonna be this one. So you want to use the right size race thing.
Install one.
That's it. It makes a different sound when it's all the way in. I think it's good.
We'll clean her up a little bit.
Those are nice. Those are,
Texas Auto Works.
yeah, Steve-O helped us out with these. These look so good. And it's got 10 holes, right?
But we're only using 5 of them.
Yeah. We're only gonna use
They're multi-pattern, so Chevy and Porsche. Crank it down to seat everything, and then back it up a little bit so that it spins freely. But you want to make sure the bearings and everything seats in there all fully. Make sure it turns really good.
Woo! Chrome.
CAD, not
CAD.
Lick it,
what is it?
and in 20 years you'll get
CAD.
It's gold and CAD?
Gold plated.
cadmium.
cadmium.
Cadmium. Ooh.
The Harvest
That's
Beetle, Matt Jackson, the
vibranium.
Harvest Beetle's getting
Yeah, you can touch it.
gold
like, it's falling
plated.
out,
Wow,
and you, like,
I know.
At work,
Look at that. We are buttoning up the front suspension. When we started up today, all we had was the beam in, and now we have tie rods, pitman, steering box, master cylinder. Look, we had to. One of the things when you run the disc brake, you change from a single circuit to a dual circuit master cylinder. So it stop your brake fluid reservoir is up here. Now it's down here. So you don't have that hose going down like you have on a stock setup. So we had to bend, also we had to bend some new hard lines here a little bit for our master cylinder. Got new rubber lines, always a big thing. You always want to change your rubber lines. They may look good on the outside, but they could break down on the inside. Got these really nice new CAD plated calipers on here with these disc brake rotors. And right now we're just wrapping up the final, Martin's tightening up the steering dampener, but things are looking really good, really good on the old HB.
Also, we got the pan fully welded in. So now all we got to do is paint over all this. We'll seam seal around the edge and then paint it black.
Let's go get lunch. We're going to Taco Cabana. We're boycotting Whataburger. They turned into a bunch of Yankees. Not that there's anything wrong with Yankees. Plus, I get a senior discount. Bunting.
What are you guys doing?
watching the newest VW Life. Look at that. And
Is it good?
it's all right. Watch it. Look, if you do it like this, Matt Jackson, this is what those kids pay a lot of money to watch stuff. Yeah. Virtual reality. Well, you just got rid of the kids. That's it. When you get Martin to make a little VW Life sticker to put in the corner of that. Oh. How many hands does it take to do seam sealer? Here they are. Ooh, be careful, don't hit your head on that. That thing right there. Oh,
I already did.
Yeah.
There's some of my flesh and hair on there.
There's some good seam sealer shots.
We're gonna need a
That
little
is.
bit more. Can you put some extra?
6 hands. Hey, Matt Jackson.
How's it going?
It goes pretty good. What a good fun day, huh?
Yeah, we got a lot done today, once again.
Yes, Harvest Beetle coming along nicely. You know, I mean, what I guess all told, you know, we probably end up putting about four or 5 hours of time in, you know, and we go to lunch. We accomplish lunch.
Yes.
And we have to always run by the parts store, it seems like.
Yep, always getting something.
Yes. So, but today we did a good job of getting things done. I feel really good about that. Pretty much the front end's done.
Yep. We got to pull the gearbox. We got the pan's all done, so it won't be long now before we can do interior and the motor, all the fun
Yeah,
stuff.
transaxle and all that's next. We'll move to the back. The battery tray all sealed up, looking good there. We'll just throw a nice coat of paint on that after the seam sealer seals up real nice and dries. And so we're making really good headway.
Yep, so thanks for watching. If you're new here, subscribe and like and leave a comment for us. Thanks.
Yes, make sure you tell all your friends, your aunts, your uncles, everybody about VW Life. Keep spreading the word for the VW community.